Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Risa y Paz. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So today we're going to do a comparison. I used to always do my wash and goes using flaxseed gel that I made at home. So today I wanted to do a comparison of flaxseed gel and the Auntie Jackie's flaxseed gel. So I made my own, and then I also used the Auntie Jackie's. Hey guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you all the products I'm using, starting off with the Twist and Define cream from TGIN. You know it's an OG. We got the Auntie Jackie's Don't Shrink, of course my water bottle, and the good old flaxseed gel. Check out my Instagram to see how I made it. But first, I'm going to apply the TGIN everywhere, and then I'm going to apply the flaxseed gel on this side. And on the other side, I'm going to compare that to the Auntie Jackie's flaxseed gel. And yeah, these trial size bottles are the truth. Let me just say, if you're not sure about a product, try the trial size version first. So I'm going to put the TGIN all throughout this first section and make sure I get some definition from it and, you know, rub it in really well like I always do. Don't forget to make sure your products mix well together, and luckily the Auntie Jackie's does mix well with the Twist and Define cream. So I was happy. I'm applying a little bit more TGIN because, like I said, I wanted to get some definition before I go in with the gel. And I think we got that. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Auntie Jackie's gel. This is the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, and it's supposed to elongate your hair, obviously. Flaxseed is really good for your hair. It's rich in omega-3 fatty acids, promotes hair health from inside out, and it prevents dryness and flaking. I will say this did a really good job at defining my curls, and it was super easy. Look at those clumps. Okay. So we're all finished with this side. And honestly, I didn't notice a lot of elongation, but on to the next side. So this is the side that I am using, first the TGIN and then the DIY flaxseed gel that I made at home. And I did include oils and things in this flaxseed gel, so you'll notice that my hair looks a little bit shinier on this side, if you ask me. Yeah, I just remember using this flaxseed gel like as when I first started out doing wash and goes, and I loved that it seemed like it eliminated pretty much all of my frizz. Here we go. I had to put the towel, y'all, because it gets a little messy. It's super gooey and thick. It can be thin or thick, but when I tell you it just glided on my hair, like I didn't even have to rub it in a lot. It literally just glided and coated my strands and defined my hair. So I'm just going to speed through this part. I had to give y'all a close-up of how thick this gel was. And I let it sit in the refrigerator, and you have to store it in the refrigerator when you're finished with it. And it only lasts about a week. So we're all done with the back part of my hair, and as you can see, it's very elongated in comparison to the other side, and this is while it's still wet. But of course, my curls up top are a bit looser right in this area. So this is what my hair is looking like, all dry, or not dry, all wet. Just got finished. This is the DIY flaxseed gel side. You see that movement? Yeah, I know it doesn't look like a lot of definition right now, but once it dries, I just can't wait. So that's the flaxseed gel side, and I'll be back. Alrighty guys, so these are the final results. This is literally the next day, but it's the end of the day. I don't know if you can tell, but my hair is super shiny, very defined, but it's not a crunch at all. It's very light. Honestly, I like both sides. Like, this is so cute. I miss my wash and goes with the flaxseed gel. I really do. I really like it. It feels like it elongated. This one said that it's going to be elongating, but honestly, I think I got more length out of this side. Both products mixed very well with the gel that I used. So I used the Twist and Define cream because it was my consistent base. So I've been trying a lot of different products lately, and honestly, I'm tired of failed wash and goes. I know that my Twist and Define cream worked, and I also tried, I did the mix test with both of those products to make sure that I wasn't going to get flakes or anything like that. So overall, these are the final looks. Please let me know what you guys think. If you could see, this side is the definition on this side. Let me show you. This is the definition over here. And then I'll turn. And this is the definition over here. Let me know what you guys think. I really enjoyed this wash and go. It's I feel like this is definitely a summer wash and go where it's light, it's free, it's defined still, And honestly, the flaxseed gel that I made was so easy to use, as you can see like in the video. it didn't take a lot of work to define my curls. It was just like automatically. Anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and share this with somebody that you know. Share this with somebody that's looking for some good products for their wash and go. I'll have the video linked to how to make the flaxseed gel. I have that video linked here, as well as follow me on Instagram at Risa y Paz so that you can see that recipe. So be sure to check it out. I'll see you all next time. Deuces.